You're picking up your boogers like that?
Oh my god. What's going on, guys? It's Ameerah. Today I am going to be doing trying out costume plays. Alright guys, so basically today I am going to be trying out costume pranks. So yeah, if you didn't get it the first time, or if you didn't get it from reading the title, well now you might get it. And if you didn't get it, then you'll just see it. And today's like my job is to be, you guys can try and press the button in 5 seconds. Go, 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 go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? All right. I think that's it. We could just get straight on into the video. Yo. So, to the first one we're gonna do is edible Play-Doh. So, first what you're supposed to do is get a bowl. Then you're gonna get some marshmallows. I used to love marshmallows. I don't really like them anymore. They're just too sugary for me. No, I like them. Now we're gonna microwave and melt the marshmallows in the microwave. Now we dance. Follow me on TikTok, guys. Musically/TikTok musically. Just underscore Ameerah. I think it's just Ameerah, actually, no underscore. Let's see how this is doing. Ooh, they got bigger. Okay. Oh my god, this is like some ASMR. Look at this.
Whoa.
All right. Okay, I think that's pretty good. This is like whipped cream. How does it taste? Tastes like marshmallows. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and try and make it this color, or this color actually, which is gonna be pretty hard. So we're just gonna grab a piece of this Play-Doh and put it in here. I'm just kidding, don't do that. Alright, so. I'm wondering if I should use the red as the food coloring or this pink, because the pink is lighter, but I needed like a darker color. So I think I'm gonna use maybe pink. Alright, so I see everybody, they always use toothpicks to do this, so we're just gonna, I need a lot more. Oh my god, this is terrible. Why did I get these? All right, I'm gonna completely open this thing up. Anyways, I think he added the dye after he made it, but I find that not a good idea because it's like already dough and it's hard, so yeah. How much food coloring is this gonna take?
Yeah, I'll help you.
I think just, there we go, I think that's good. Guys, this is getting really sticky. So I found my food coloring with like the dropper, so it's gonna be a lot easier to make this color. I think I might have done too much. I love those colors, so yeah. Ooh, that's better. It's definitely a lot better. I think I'm gonna melt this a little bit, like maybe 10 seconds really quick.
75 years later.
Okay, so I melted my marshmallows. Now we're gonna get powder sugar. He said to put powder sugar, so we're gonna be getting powder sugar. And we're gonna put it in here. I don't like powder sugar, it's too sugary. It's like 10 times more sugar than like regular sugar, I feel like, I don't know. Let's start mixing. This is the hard part. This is the annoying part.
Many unbearable hours later.
What's wrong, Ameerah?
I'll show you what's wrong, Paul. So this is taking a very long time and it's sticking to my fingers like crazy. But I mean, it seems like it's doing good. I like the color a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more powdered sugar.
More moments later.
And I am finally done! Okay guys, so here it is. It's still kind of sticky, but I don't think I can ever get that feeling away because I've like literally covered this in cornstarch so many times. So here it is though. So, not bad, all right. I like the color of it a lot, it's pretty cool. Okay, so the last step is we're gonna take this Play-Doh. I have such a mess now, guys. All right, so we're gonna get this Play-Doh. Difference, you can't even tell. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead. I wanna do a texture test really quick. So here's the regular Play-Doh. This is how it stretches. It's not really supposed to stretch, it's dough. All right, and then we got this one. This one stretches a lot more and it's a lot more like, it gives a lot more resistance, but it honestly has like, it's like got half the texture. The other half is like something else. Uh-oh, it's getting sticky on me again. All right, now all I gotta do with this is put it in here. There's leftover Play-Doh in there, but I don't really care. Looks exactly like it. There we go, ta-da! Let's just act like I was never here and let's go. Hey, Paul.
Hey.
You want to play with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
It's so fun.
I know. What are you doing? Hey, you can't eat that. I know it's not toxic, but it's not good.
It's delicious.
Really? Mm-hmm. Let me try some.
Oh my god, why do you actually eat it, Paul? This is just spit.
It's so salty. You got me good, Ameerah.
Okay, well, Paul, on a scale scale of 1 to 10 because nobody else is here, how good did that look?
I say 10 out of 10. Really, it was really good.
Really?
Yeah, it was really good.
Like if you didn't see all of this and you kind of just like weren't paying attention, you actually think I was eating Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yes! Oh no, that was really hard. Next round! Next round, guys, that's gonna be edible boogers. That's right, have you ever wanted to eat your boogers but you don't want to be nasty? Well, now you can. So, for this one, he said to get gelatin. So we're gonna get this bowl. He didn't even have any measurements, but I'm just gonna put 4 packets of gelatin. And then we're gonna put some water in it, and then we're gonna pop it into the microwave. So Paul just had informed me that I don't think we're supposed to put it in the microwave. So we're just gonna not put it in the microwave. So now you're supposed to add the corn syrup, but I think you're supposed to put some food coloring first. So since they are boogers, I am gonna make them yellow. And I know boogers aren't really yellow. I just want to make mine yellow. All right, we got them yellow. With 2 forks again. All right, so what you do is you're supposed to add some corn syrup. I haven't used corn syrup in a while. I love corn syrup. I don't know why, I just like the texture and the smell and the taste. Never mind, I don't like the taste. Okay, we're gonna put like that much. More. Okay, so Paul's the scientist here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and mix this now. And it's supposed to like turn into like some type of weird slime, which is not working out for me like at all. Oh my lord, this is not good. Paul!
Ameerah.
What did you do?
Ameerah, you did it wrong.
How? I'm putting more gelatin. So guys, we just rewatched the video to show you if we did it right and we did it wrong. Surprise. Anyway, so apparently we were supposed to get the water, warm it up, and then put the gelatin and then do everything else. So that's why, or maybe that's why it's not working, I don't know, maybe they're lying. But anyways guys, before we restart this, because I don't want to waste all this, I decided I want to try and just heat it up. Because what's the difference between heating it up in the beginning and heating it up at the end? Like there's not really a difference, right? So we're just gonna heat this up really quick.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so it's been like about 2 something seconds. No, it's not working. Wait, is it working, Paul?
It looks like
it kind of looks like it's working. It kind of seems like it's working, but at the same time, it doesn't. All right, well, I think I'm just gonna leave this because I did it. All right, well, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna let it set for like 2-5 minutes, I don't know, and we'll see what happens. I want to try this really quick. I want to taste test this. It's delicious. Next! Okay, so this next we're gonna do is a cheese glue stick, cheese stick. So basically this one's really simple. You get a glue stick, you take it all out because who uses glue anymore? So then you're gonna go ahead and get some cheese. All right, so now you're gonna go ahead and get your thingy-majigga little glue stick and you're just gonna cool it through, just like that. This one is pretty cool because it's like really simple. Okay, and there it is, guys, the glue stick. Okay, all right, let's just go ahead and try this out. Oh, hey there, Paul.
Oh, hey there.
I'm just gonna go do some arts and crafts and I'm gonna glue some stuff together, you know?
Oh boy, can I watch?
You know what I mean? You wanna see my glue? It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just trying to get it out, you know. So how's it going, Paul? I'm just...
Pretty good. Just waiting for you to... What?
What? I'm just eating my glue.
Oh, so is that like a new thing? That's weird.
Can you please rate my prank 1 out of 10?
I'll give you 0.
Why?
Because it didn't come out. But if it did come out, I would give you a 7.
Oh, okay.
Because it's kind of too unbelievable to be eating glue sticks.
Alright, let me just go ahead and check on this one really quick though. Guys, here's the boogery thing. Oh, kind of looks like slime. Whoa, guys. It's boogers, I think. It doesn't really look like theirs completely, but it definitely is like more gooey, you know? All right, we're gonna go ahead and mix it really quick, and then we're gonna wait longer, but it's looking good. All right, next round. Okay. Next one is gonna be cheese ball whoppers. So, for this one, you're supposed to get whoppers, first of all.
Isn't it whoopers?
So, if you guys can't tell, these have a very big resemblance to these cheese puffs. And would you look at that? They're a little bit big, but whatever. And they also have like a wafer inside, which is kind of like the same texture as the cheese ball. So basically what you're gonna do, I guess, is empty out all the whoppers. So let me just go ahead and get a bowl and cook. All right, they look cool. Then you're supposed to get like chocolate. I got candy melt because they're super easy to melt. So we're gonna go ahead and melt them really quick. All right, guys, so here is the chocolate. So let's just start. Okay, so what he said to do, Colin's key said to do, is to just put a bunch of cheese balls in here and then just, you know, wrap them all up in the chocolate and then put them on a tray to dry. But I feel like that's not the best idea. I feel like it'd be better if you got like a toothpick and you stab the cheese ball and then you do it like kind of like a cake pop. I feel like that would be better, but maybe not. Like, that's good, right? Then you put it on your cake pop stand. That's a block of cheese. So let's try it his way though. We're just gonna mix it all up here. Seems like it's working out pretty well. All right, guys, I just got this plate really quick. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the plate.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, we're back with our Whopper thingamajigers. So we're just gonna go ahead and take them off the plate because they're stuck to it. And you're all done, ta-da! And then here's mine. It fell over because I took it off the cheese and I put it on a marshmallow. Great stand, but yeah. Let's go ahead and put it in our Whoppers container. That's good. And away I go. Hey there, Paul.
Oh, hey there.
Are you hungry? Would you like some Whoppers?
Oh, I'm starving.
Okay, here, you can have a Whopper. They're super tasty.
Thanks, Ameerah. That's the best Whopper I ever ate.
Okay, would you like one of these ones?
The heck is that? I've never seen that before.
Here, try it.
Oh, that's gross. Honestly, I'm serious.
What the heck?
No, I'm serious. I really like those.
Really?
Yeah, that tastes good.
This isn't fake?
Not fake.
We're not doing our fake thing again?
No,
Here.
this is really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you tricking me to eating it?
Mm-mm.
Dang.
They're really good, Ameerah.
You can't really taste the cheesy part, and when you do, it's kind of just like a salty taste. So it's like salty chocolate Whopper.
It's beautiful.
Do I hear a weird food combination?
Uh-huh. I really like it.
How would you rate my prank, Paul?
I mean, I guess a 0 because it tasted really good.
Alright, let's do the next round. Next one is making the gum, chewing gum out of Play-Doh. Okay, so I got yellow Play-Doh and juicy fruit. So you gotta get the same, you know, color obviously. So we're gonna get the gum first. Okay, we got the gum. The color's gonna be a little bit off, but yeah, it's kind of off, but it's fine. It's whatever. All right, now you're gonna get a little piece of your Play-Doh. I'm gonna guess like this much. And we're just gonna go ahead and, all right, let's see if it's long enough now. I think it's long enough. Yep, it's good. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and cut it end of this spoon. So let's go ahead and take that off. And then I'm gonna smooth in the side so it's a bit better. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Let's put it inside the wrapper. Let's close that. It's a little thick, but it's okay. All right, not too bad. Okay, we put that back into the pack. All right, and I think we are ready. I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey, yo, what's up, fool?
Oh, hey there.
You want some gum? Juicy fruit gum?
Oh, yeah? I've been waiting for gum all day.
All right, you go.
Why are you laughing?
Joke, just a joke.
Is the gum melted a little bit?
Yes.
Oh,
Left
okay,
it
that
in my
makes
car.
sense. It's not coming out of the wrapper.
Here, I'll get it for you. You gotta be really delicate with this gum. See, this gum came from Egypt
Why are you importing gum from Egypt?
because they use a very old method to make gum that's very tasty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, here you go, sir. Here's your gum.
Thank you.
What's wrong? You don't want to eat it?
What is this? Horrible.
Okay, well,
You can eat it.
was that gum?
Yeah, you go ahead, eat it.
Whoa. Oh, it stays in your teeth!
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't want to do it this time.
Okay, well, how would you rate my prank, Paul? Or, yeah.
Oh man, that's a hard one. Because it's very woggly.
Yeah, it is.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
I'd give it a 5.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so I guess that's all the pranks, but we still have one more thing to do. We're gonna look at the slime, the boogers we made. Wait, can we just look at this mess we have? Like, what the heck? What is going on here? Okay, anyway, so back to the boogers. Here it is, let's check it out. Oh my God, it worked. I feel like it wasn't really thanks to the corn syrup. I think it's just kind of because of the gelatin. I don't think it's supposed to be this much of a solid, so I'm just gonna go ahead and crunch that up. So I think mine looks pretty good. I think it looks as good as his. What do you think?
Yep, I think it looks exactly the same.
All right, you guys ready? Oh no! I feel a sneeze coming in.
You're picking up your boogers like that?
Oh my god. So, I don't really know if this was a prank. I think it was more a prank on me. Colin's Key was doing a prank on me because they were saying to do this, but this tastes disgusting, guys. Like, I'd rather eat the Play-Doh. 1 out of 10 for this prank. I hate it. What do you think, Paul?
I don't know. I didn't try it.
Here, Paul, try it.
No, that's
No,
okay.
you're gonna try it, Paul.
Oh no. What's wrong with that? There's chunks in there, like parts.
It's disgusting.
It's horrible.
It just stays in your mouth. It just like haunts you. Alright guys, please like this video. Make sure you comment down below #part2 or whatever you want. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.